Welcome to JW Truck Sales, family owned and operated, so it only makes sense that our customer satisfaction is our #1 priority.
JW Truck Sales Incorporated knows you want more than just a car. You have a purpose for your vehicle. Imagine driving this red '06 Dodge Ram 2500, equipped with a 6-cylinder engine, and an automatic transmission with 131,224 miles. Enjoy this utility truck with features like leather upholstery, tilt steering wheel, cruise control, power steering, power door locks, power windows, power driver's seat, and much more. Get where you need to go, enjoy the drive, and have peace of mind in this '06 Dodge Ram 2500. See us at JW Truck Sales Incorporated today.
Thanks for visiting JW Truck Sales. For over 12 years we have strived to give our customers the best quality service possible.